Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sweets with Mer Christmas special and the last Christmas special of this season. So today we're going to be making some hot chocolate cupcakes, and then I'm also going to be announcing the winners of the contest that I've been holding for the past couple weeks. So we're going to get started with making the cupcakes. So some of the ingredients that you'll need is some melted butter, all-purpose flour, some marshmallow fluff. You're gonna need some sugar, some Hershey's Coco, baking powder, baking soda, some hot chocolate, and then you're gonna also need some marshmallows. I got the really tiny ones. And then you're gonna need 2 eggs and some almond milk. And then I'll tell you guys what you need for the frosting. So first what we're going to do is put in 1/2 cup of butter. So after we did that, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of cocoa. So after we've done that, we're going to do 1 1/4 cups of flour. Just 1 cup. And then 1/4 of a cup. I'm going to try to make this as easy as possible, so I'm going to try and just use 1 bowl for the whole mixture and 1 cup for the whole mixture. So after that, we're going to do 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So that's 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then we're going to be doing 2 eggs. Next, we're going to be taking our hot cocoa and we're going to be adding 1/2 cup of it. Okay, looks like we're gonna So I used 3 packets of the hot cocoa, so we're going to put that in. Then next we're going to do 1/4 cup of sugar. And then last but not least, we're going to do 1/2 cup of milk, and I'm going to be using almond milk, and it's an unsweetened kind, so So now we're gonna mix this all in together. And the next thing I'm going to do is, I did get the Swiss hot chocolate, the marshmallow lovers one. So I'm going to be adding some marshmallows into it. And I'll be adding packets, but I have leftover from 3 that I used. These are just like mini marshmallows. I'm going to incorporate that into our cupcake batter. Just mix that until it's all incorporated inside of it. Okay. So now that we're done with that, we've incorporated everything together. So that's what it should look like. We're going to take our baking pan, well, our cupcake pan, put our cupcake liners in and put the batter inside of it. I already put my oven on to 350 and I'm going to put it in the oven about 10-15 minutes until I can poke a toothpick through it and nothing comes out of it. Alright guys, welcome back. So I took out the cupcakes out of the oven and I let them cool in the fridge. So next we're going to be making is the frosting. So what you're going to be needing is a mixing bowl, some 8-ounce cream cheese, another hot cocoa mix, some marshmallow fluff, and then confectioner sugar. So first we're going to be putting in the cream cheese and I'm going to be mixing that in just a little bit. Okay. Then we're going to be adding 1/2 cup of confectioner sugar. And then we're going to be doing 1/4 cup of hot cocoa mix. Okay, and then we're going to be doing 1 cup of the marshmallow fluff. So now we're going to incorporate all that in together. Okay, so after we're finished mixing this, we're going to take a large piping bag and any tip that you would like. I'm going to use a round tip. Okay, like I said, I'm just going to use a round tip, cut the tip off, put your bag in, and then you're going to be putting in your mixture. Okay, so now we got everything in the piping bag. We're just gonna go ahead and pipe our cupcakes. topping them off with some marshmallows. Like I already said, you have marshmallows in the cupcake batter, and you're gonna also put them on top. So who doesn't like hot cocoa with lots of marshmallows? And you can add other little decorations that you want. But that is how you make hot chocolate cupcakes. So I just wanted to thank everybody for tuning in to my Christmas special and also subscribing to my page and tuning in every week, every Wednesday to watch. So today now I'm going to take the time to actually pick the winner of the contest. So it's going to just take me a little bit, and I'm going to put it in a generator, and then I'll announce the 2 winners. Be Jasmine. And now I'm going to put in the names for the boys, and the winner will be Rambo. So if you've heard your name, make sure you message me and let me know. I can hand deliver them to you, or I can mail them out to you if you don't live in Utica. But I also want to thank everybody else for joining in and tuning in and watching my videos, and I hope you guys continue to watch my videos. I'll be doing more contests and also be doing more videos on baking. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Christmas special. Merry Christmas and thank you.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.